Hi everyone. Today I am going to show you Navaratri special recipes. I made here two recipes for morning and evening prasadam. Today Saraswati Puja day. For that day I made two recipes related to Saraswati Devi. For one recipe, take 1 cup of raw rice and wash 2-3 times properly. Then add 3 cups of water and cook until soft. Once cooked, rice is very soft. We should use raw rice only here for prasadam recipes. Mash mash the rice. Now add 1 cup of milk already boiled. Mix well. Then take a kadai and add 1 teaspoon of oil, 1 teaspoon of ghee, and add 1 teaspoon of mustard, 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 tablespoon of gram dal and 1 tablespoon of urad dal. Fry it until golden color. Once fried, then add few cashews. This is totally optional. If you have, you can add. If you don't have, you can skip this. Add raisins cube, 1 or 2 tablespoon raisins, and add curry leaves, red chilli, now add 1 tablespoon of chopped green chilli and 1 tablespoon of chopped ginger. Remove skin and cut the ginger. Now we add this tempering to rice. Add required salt and add 2 pinch of hing and 1 cup of curd. Mix all the ingredients. That's it. Our curd rice is ready. This is very special to Navaratri day, day 7th day, that is Saraswati Puja day. Om Saraswati Devi Namaha. For evening prasadam, take 1 fresh coconut and grate nicely without black part. And take a kadai, add 250 grams of rice flour, add a half cup of ghee, add gradually ghee. Then fry ghee and rice flour. It will take 7 to 8 minutes time to fry. On low flame only we can fry. Once fried, It will release aromatic smell. Then transfer to a plate. Now add grated coconut and 2 cups of sugar. Stir continuously. Once sugar melted, then we can add this to rice flour. Do not overcook. This is instant prasadam only. It will be only we can use one day. Once melted sugar, add to rice flour. Cool down completely. Now chop dry nuts. Any dry nuts you can take. I am using here cashew, badam and pista. Chop nicely. No need to fry these dry nuts. If you want fry, you can fry on ghee only. Now add it to our rice flour and coconut mixture. Now add 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Then mix well. Mix as shown. Once mixed, then make a ladoo. This is called coconut ladoo. A very tasty. This one, Saraswati Devi always likes white color. That's why we will do curd rice and coconut ladoo.